Second Circuit, territorial imperative. Pa, pa, pitter, patter, pasture, pattern, patrol, foster, pastor, patriarchy, patrician, protect, power, 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 power. It's the wolf flow logic. Yeah, it's the wolf flow logic. Mark your territory secure in a circle of urine-soaked boundaries, pissing in a sea of predator and prey, a theater of threats to be held at bay. I come from a long line of those who survived by doing what it takes to stay alive. It's safer to be feared than ignored. From underdog to overlord, that's the wolf flow logic. Mark your territory, wolf flow logic. Mark your territory, wolf flow logic. Mark your territory, mark your territory, mark your territory, yeah. The wolf flow logic. Mark your territory better. Bow before your authority as you scale the pyramid of hierarchies. You stick with us, and here's what we'll do. We'll extend our strong arm of protection to you. Protection from what? Protection from who? From what we're gonna do if you don't join our crew. Participation is a mandatory. That's the wolf flow logic. Know your enemy. Know your enemy. The wolf flow logic. Mark your territory. It's a racket of protection, natural selection, and the gang is sharpening its fangs, praying to overtake the game. The status quo is fueled by pride, claiming turf with every stride. Tread upon your neighbor's heads and join the hunt. If you want to get fed, you're in or you're out. And if you're out, you're dead. That's the wolf flow logic. You're in or you're out. And if you're out, you're dead. And if you're out, you're dead. You're in or you're out. And if you're out, you're dead. Follow wolf flow logic. Mark your territory. Map out the pattern of patriarchy, leaving behind a bloody legacy, excreting its laws all over history. Priests and kings and daddy makes three, trapping seeds in the nuclear family tree. You're not the only one who can get uppity. Yeah, that's just how a bitch gotta be. Marking her territory. Yeah, that's the wolf flow logic. Mark your territory. Welcome to the wolf flow lodge.